Are you smart? Oh, but don't change your airplane. Not if you care for me, baby. Say every day is Valentine's Day.
This is what I have been waiting for. Your voice is like liquid gold. You have such an authentically beautiful voice. You look amazing. And you know, you could sing the phone book. I absolutely love you and I love your voice, and I also love the fact that you actually don't even know how good you are. Wow.
I have to say that was the most mesmerizing, sultry, sexy performance, and I fell in love with you.
David.
Alice, why are you crying?
I just don't think I ever expected this kind of response. It was like my dream, and now it's just happened.
When you sing, you're like a goddess. It's incredible. It's world class.
Sniveling everywhere.
I think Deck fancies you a little bit, doesn't he?
More than a little bit.
So Alice, and nobody knows you're here today.
No, because I just didn't want to let anyone down, so I thought I'd just come by myself.
It was simply beautiful.
Thank you so
and you've
much.
let no one down.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to vote. David.
I can't wait to hear you sing again. It's a yes.
It's a yes from me too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Simon, yes or no?
Oh, let me think about this. Alice, what is it? Fredenham?
Like Debenhams, Fredenham.
Alice Fredenham. I want to remember this name the day I met Alice Fredenham, because I think you're so special.
Oh, wow.
This is the easiest yes I've given throughout the whole competition. Congratulations.